English. Danish. The English language is a West Germanic language that originated in early medieval England and has since become a global lingua franca. Emerging from the dialects of Anglo-Saxon settlers, it was heavily influenced by Old Norse, Latin, and Norman French, resulting in a rich and diverse vocabulary. Today, English is the primary or secondary language of over 1.5 billion people worldwide, and is the most widely spoken language in terms of total speakers. It serves as the official language of numerous countries, including the United States, Canada, Australia, and the United Kingdom, and dominates fields like science, business, technology, and entertainment. Its versatility and adaptability have made it a cornerstone of international communication and culture. Danish is a North Germanic language spoken primarily in Denmark, where it is the official language, and by Danish-speaking communities in Greenland, the Faroe Islands, and parts of northern Germany. It is mutually intelligible to varying degrees with other Scandinavian languages, particularly Norwegian and Swedish, due to shared linguistic roots. Danish evolved from Old Norse and is characterized by its soft pronunciation, vowel-rich phonetic structure, and the unique stu, a glottal stop or creaky voice feature. It serves as a vital part of Danish cultural identity and is widely taught as a second language in Greenland and the Faroe Islands. With approximately 6 million native speakers, Danish continues to thrive as a medium of communication, literature, and media in Scandinavia and beyond.
1,
1, 1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Hello.
Hej.
Goodbye.
Farvel.
Good morning.
Godmorgen.
Good afternoon.
Goddag.
Good evening.
God aften.
Yes. No.
Ja. Nej.
Please.
Vær så venlig.
Thank you.
Tak.
Thank you very much.
Mange tak.
Sorry.
Undskyld.
Left. Right.
Venstre. Højre.
Red.
Rød.
Green.
Grøn.
Yellow.
Gul.
Orange.
Orange.
Dark blue.
Mørkeblå.
Light blue.
Lyseblå.
Brown.
Brun.
Purple.
Lilla.
White.
Hvid.
Pink.
Lyserød.
Black.
Sort.
Grey.
Grå.
Head.
Hoved.
Cheek.
Kind.
Neck.
Hals.
Hair.
Hår.
Ear.
Øre.
Eye.
Øje.
Nose.
Næse.
Mouth.
Mund.
Knee.
Knæ.
Elbow.
Albue.
Ankle.
Ankel.
Leg.
Ben.
Foot.
Fod.
Thumb.
Tommelfinger.
Finger.
Finger.
Wrist.
Håndled.
Arm.
Arm.
Hand.
Hånd.
Father.
Far,
Mother.
mor,
Son.
søn,
Daughter.
datter,
Brother.
bror,
Sister.
søster,
Monday.
mandag,
Tuesday.
tirsdag,
Wednesday.
onsdag,
Thursday.
torsdag,
Friday.
fredag,
Saturday.
lørdag,
Sunday.
søndag.
For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. For God did not send his Son into the world to condemn the world, but to save the world through him.
Gud elskede verden så meget, at han gav sin enestefødte søn, for at enhver, som tror på ham, ikke skal gå til grunde, men få evigt liv. Gud sendte nemlig ikke sin søn til verden, for at han skulle dømme verden, men for at verden skulle frelses gennem ham.